Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. If you are new, I would really love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell when my next videos are uploaded. Today's video is the much awaited fall clean and decorate with me. I have a little bit of tidying up before I can actually decorate, so what I'll go ahead and do is put some clips of the current condition of my house, and then we'll get started. I know you haven't noticed. Welcome guys, this video is a huge collab with a whole bunch of beautiful ladies. I'll have the playlist linked below. Go ahead and check them out after you're finished watching this video. Your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. Welcome guys, I wanted to go ahead and give you a little information about myself in case you are new. I'm Chelsea, the busy C. I'm a mother of 4, happily married to my junior high sweetheart. We live in South Louisiana. I am currently teaching 1st grade at a local school here. And if there's anything else, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as I can.
Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be.
This video would not be complete without a Mrs. Meyer's fall scent.
Don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the
What is your most satisfying chore to do? Mine, even though it doesn't last that long, is to clean the dishes and have a fresh, clean sink. I don't know what it is about that shiny sink after it's all said and done. Makes me so happy. Go ahead and comment below and tell me what yours is. I would like to know.
I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust.
taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence.
Alright, now that we're to the part of this video where we start decorating, I want you to go ahead and comment below what season you like to decorate for. Mine is fall.
Dance with you, feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you, baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside.
As you can see, everything I'm cleaning and wiping down, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice. It's not my favorite fall scent. I love the apple cider, but they were out here at Target, so I had to use something. It would not have been a fall video without Mrs. Meyer's.
I wanna get there, just in my mind.
How can I compare thee when no one ever could come close? Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon, opened up our doors to something more. Spun me round and you shook me, got me tainted to the core. So tell me what to do when nothing, no one ever comes close to you, close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do.
So in the next couple clips, you'll see That's So Davis in the background. I will let you know now, the entire time I was cleaning this day, I was watching some type of cleaning motivation video from all these amazing ladies that are in the playlist. So please go look them up.
I said nothing comes close to you. In a million days and in a million ways, I know this to be true, that nothing, no, nothing. I said nothing comes close to you. When I close my eyes now, like I got your smile going on repeat. You're the star of my movie, but now it's done, still stuck in my seat. Ain't getting off easy, like I'm doing time yet without parole. Got me flirting with disaster, but I'm all in, gotta go for gold. So tell me, tell me, tell me what to do when nothing, nothing, no one ever comes close to you, close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time I've been out of my mind, trying to lose every single trace of you. But I know it's true that nothing, no, no, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. No, nothing, no, no, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. In a million days and in a million ways, I know this to be true, that nothing, no, no, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not, but better let myself give in to love, believe in us no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting inside my brain, I feel emotionally drained. You getting inside my brain.
So to make this house smell like fall, I went ahead and sprayed the Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice all over my rug right before I vacuumed. I usually use something else, but I decided this day to go ahead and spray this, and let me tell you, my house smells amazing after.
Not used to this, not prepared, not prepared. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting inside my brain, I feel emotionally drained. You getting inside my brain, you getting inside my brain. You're 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 getting inside my brain. You getting inside my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting inside my brain. You getting inside my brain.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair.
And here is the fall decorated house tour. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already, please consider subscribing. And don't forget about that playlist link below.
I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall
have some big videos planned. Please hit that notification bell to let you know when those go live. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.